Hey, it's Emma.
And Katie. Today, we're going to talk about the first 10 amendments, also known as the Bill of Rights, in a fun, amusing, and easy to understand way.
There were two groups. One wanted the Constitution to stay just how it is. The other wanted there to be a Bill of Rights, something protecting the citizens' rights.
The First Amendment says that us, as Americans, have freedom of speech, press, and religion. We also have the right to assemble and petition the government.
Gay or straight?
Don't hate. Gay or straight? Don't hate. Gay or straight? Don't.
This amendment is about guns. As an American, we have the right to own a gun as long as we're 18 and we have a license. Hey, do you have a license for that gun and are you over 18?
You mean this?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. This is me and my teeth.
It looks like everything's in order in here, but remember, conceal that gun.
This one's simple. The Third Amendment says that we don't have to quarter soldiers, which means we don't have to let them live in our houses. Hey, what are you doing? I'm hungry, you're a soldier. This is my new crib. Go make me a ham sandwich. Hold the mail and cut out the crust.
Excuse me?
You heard me.
No. I can't let you do this. It's in the Bill of Rights.
Yeah, where?
Right there.
Okay, then.
Next is the Fourth Amendment. This amendment states that there should be no searches or seizures without a warrant. Come in! I have an official search warrant, and I have evidence that you stole my phone. So I'm just gonna go look around.
Okay.
You seem a little nervous there. I found it.
This one's a little complicated, so we're just going to explain it to you. You have the right to a jury if you are accused of a crime.
No double jeopardy, which means you can't be tried for the same crime twice.
No self-incrimination, or you cannot be deprived of life, liberty, or property.
The government can't take away any private property without compensation. This is the Sixth Amendment, and we're going to explain it again because it's confusing. You have the right to a speedy and public trial by a jury of your peers.
Your trial must be in the district that the crime was committed in, and you must be informed of the accusation against you.
You have the right to know about all the witnesses in your favor and the right to have an attorney, even if you can't afford one.
The Seventh Amendment states that you must have a jury in civil cases. Here is a case about a friend who loaned his cell phone to another friend and his cell phone got damaged. The plaintiff, Mr. Monkey, willingly loaned my client, Mr. Lobster, the cell phone without a contract of liability.
My client, Mr. Monkey, only loaned his cell phone to Mr. Lobster because he thought that Mr. Lobster would take care of his property responsibly.
Order in the court. Jury, have you reached a decision?
We, the jury, have found the defendant guilty of property damage.
The defendant is ordered to pay the plaintiff the amount of $175.
The Eighth Amendment says that there shall be no cruel or unusual punishment and no excessive bail. You're under the arrest for the kidnapping of Judge Unicorn.
Ow! Wait! The Eighth Amendment says you can't inflict any cruel or unusual punishment.
Oh yeah, you're right. Darn it.
This amendment is a catch-all amendment. That means that if there's no specific right listed in the Constitution, it doesn't mean that you don't have the right. The Bill of Rights never said I have the right to breathe. Does that mean I'm not allowed to breathe?
Of course you can breathe. Just because the Bill of Rights doesn't list one specific right doesn't mean you don't have that right.
That's good, because I'm not very good at holding my breath.
Any right not listed in the Bill of Rights is reserved to the states, like how old you have to be when you drive, each state decides how old you must be, so it's reserved to the states.
Number one, freedom of religion, speech, and press. Plus you can assemble in crowds and protest. Number two, right to bear arms and cannons. I bet the Minutemen didn't know about handguns. Number three, when soldiers get sleepy, you don't have to let them sleep up on your couch. Number four, no one can search and seize. It protects me unless people have a warrant to arrest me. Number five, if you arrest me